For centuries, Shilajit has been used in Ayurveda to enhance female fertility and reproductive health. Modern science now backs these traditional uses. Altitude Essence introduces Shilajit, rich in fulvic acid, humic acid, and plant minerals that help regulate key fertility hormones, stimulate ovulation, improve egg quality, and thicken the uterine lining. In multiple studies, Shilajit supplementation improved fertility rates, embryo implantation, and ovarian function in women trying to conceive. With its hormone balancing and tissue-nourishing properties, Shilajit from Altitude Essence creates the optimal environment for conception. Our Shilajit is thoroughly lab-tested for purity, safety, and efficacy. To boost your fertility naturally, click the link in our bio to purchase high-quality Shilajit.